If you're looking for homes under $300,000, you're going to want to stay tuned for this video today. So we are in Sweetgrass Village. We are in Crosby, Texas, and I'm showing you homes by Castle Rock that are under 300. So the plan that I'm going to show you with Castle Rock here in this community today is in the mid 250s, which I think is an excellent price point. And that is a price point that you guys are asking for too. So I want to make sure that I am showing you the price points that you're requesting. So that's what we're doing. We're looking here in Crosby and we're in Sweetgrass. I wanted to show you also what is back behind me here, which is new to this community as far as Lennar homes goes. So the next gen product line is not new, and it's been around for a few years actually, but it is new for this community here in Sweetgrass. They recently brought this plan into this community. So it is available, it is ready to go, and I wanted to show you the Steely plan. Here it is, and it's a little over 3,100 square feet, this plan is, and it's a next gen suite. So a whole portion of this left-hand side of the house here is next gen with its own kitchen, its own bathroom, its own laundry, its own room, kind of separate off the rest of the house, even with its own entrance. So if I get a chance to show you a next gen property by a Lennar, I want to do it because it is an incredible layout and they've done a great job with these plans, and I'm excited that it's here in Sweetgrass. For this next gen plan, it is in the 370s mark to build. It's a little over 3,100 square feet. So I think it's an incredible deal, which is another reason why I'm showing it to you here in this community today. So really, if you're kind of looking in the ballpark of low twos to mid 300s, you're going to want to stay tuned for these videos and these tours today, because there may be one or two of them that kind of fit the bill for you. So let me know what you think, and here we go. I'm going to start off showing you this floor plan by Castle Rock, the Ash plan. It is a really nice plan for the price, so I'm excited to show it to you. 4 beds, 2.5 baths. It's 2,198 square feet, and the starting price for this plan is incredible to me, $263,990. I think the pricing in this community, we're in Sweetgrass Village in Crosby. I think the price point is really nice and really appealing for what you get here. I'm going to show you a floor plan by Lennar coming up, so stay tuned for that. It's one of my absolute favorite plans by them, and I'm going to show you why when I show you and go inside and see the floor plan. But this Castle Rock Ash plan is really nice. So basically what they've got a whole first floor. There's a master bedroom, you got the dining, you have the family room, and then on the second floor you've got 3 bedrooms and a game room. So you get a lot of space here, I think, for the price, $263,990 to build this thing. You get quite a bit. I think this is one of Castle Rock's really neat collections of homes. Like, all their floor plans in this collection here are priced really well for what you get, in my opinion. You get some decent, good square footage here. They do the kitchens really nice, like you can see. This is an interesting floor plan where Castle Rock has put the formal dining area, like you see here, in the back, and the family room is kind of more in the middle of the plan. So I kind of like that. Normally you see the family rooms in the back and the dining kind of more in the middle, but they've kind of reversed it here. It's just unique. Not every builder does it that way. I love the fact that Castle Rock still kind of has unique, interesting plans, and they're a builder that constantly elevates their plans, tweaks their floor plans year after year. So they may have the same floor plan name, but they've tweaked it based on feedback, based on what's working, what may not be working as well. But as you can see here, I mean, they've done just an amazing job with the plan of this size, I think. You still get a really good sized primary bedroom. And bathroom. And to be in the mid 200s in this square footage, I think you get a good price point here. Frameless shower. Good sized closet space. Another thing that I adore about Castle Rock is that what you see in these floor plans is truly what you get when you go to build this home. They don't really embellish their model homes that much. So it is true, a normal buying experience. Like what you're seeing here is what you get. I mean, of course, they've painted the walls, different colors and done accent walls that aren't available with the house. They don't come with the house. You'd have to get, a contractor to do your accent walls for you, or you could paint the walls yourself. But, this is really true to what you get. I actually really like this bedroom here. One of the other things that Castle Rock does in some of their bedrooms and some of their second floors with like the little nook game room areas is they put these little kind of desk areas, these little nook spaces like you see there in some of their bedrooms and in some of their game rooms. I like that. I think it's just kind of a different way to utilize the space. It kind of defines the space a little bit more, in my opinion. Good sized rooms up here. Let me know what you think about this plan. Castle Rock really starts in about the mid 200s price point here, the 250s. Coming up here, Lennar. I'm excited to show you this next floor plan. It's one of my favorite floor plans by Lennar. And the cool thing about Lennar here is that they start in about the 230s price point, and they have 3 different collections of homes here. So they really have like an entry point, kind of an entry level type home starting in the 230s if you really need that. They've got several plans in about the 230s to 260s range. And then they have kind of a second collection and a third collection with higher price point homes, larger homes. So the cool thing about that though is that you can really get into a home that fits your budget at the time. You can get into kind of a starter home option and be able to move your way up over the years. But kind of based on your budget, Lennar has 3 different collections of floor plans in this community to choose from. And so it just gives you more options. So I like that. So we're going to head on to check out this floor plan by Lennar. Okay, so this is the Pine Hollow plan. It starts at $259,990 to build. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, also 1,607 square feet just by itself. But the most amazing thing about this plan is it includes a next gen suite. And so what that is it basically adds on to the house a whole nother bedroom, bathroom, living space, laundry, a whole little suite for like a mother-in-law suite or just a separate wing of the house. and it can go up to about 3,100 square feet. So that is one of the most neat things that Lennar has to offer here in this community. They also have these next gen suites available elsewhere in different communities, but they have brought the next gen suite here to Sweetgrass. And so you can kind of put it into this Pine Hollow plan. You can put it into a different plan and just kind of add it to your plan as an upgrade. And so it's called the Next Gen. I'm going to show it to you towards the end of this home tour. So we're just kind of looking at the floor plan just the way it is without the Next Gen suite added onto it. So I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what the floor plan looks like in general. And then I'm going to take you back out so you can see the double entry. So that's kind of one of the other cool things about the Next Gen suite. It has its own private entrance with a separate front door, basically. So this is really an amazing idea for like multi-generational living. That is one of the best and greatest things about a plan like this, so that it gives you a way to have a separate space and affordably too. So if you add the Next Gen to this plan, to the Pine Hollow, you're looking around the 370s price point. You're basically kind of adding a whole nother house to the plan. So if you had just the Pine Hollow, it stays at $259 price point. If you add the Next Gen, it goes up about $100,000. So 370s price point. And I'm happy to help you with it. So what you're seeing here is the master bathroom in the main part of the house. If you all came together, if you all wanted to kind of go into this, I think it's still an amazing price point for 3,100 square feet, to be quite honest with you. I love this plan. I love what Lennar does with this plan. I love that they continue to incorporate this floor plan into different communities. So they've got communities on the north side with this plan, with the Next Gen suite. They've got communities like this one in Sweetgrass and Crosby with this plan. So based on like your budget and your location, you can kind of customize with this Next Gen suite. So you're really getting a feel for what do you get in the main house. And this is very similar to what the Next Gen suite offers as well, just kind of on the other end. But I love the price point. I think if you're looking for something under $300,000, you can get a 2-story home with a game room, 4 bedrooms, for a really good price. When you take a look at this game room here, this is like 2 rooms. This is a huge game room. I mean, you could even add a little media room here. It's so big. Game room and a media room. So I like the way that Lennar has the second floor laid out here. It's quite large, and they have decent sized bedrooms here. So of all Lennar's floor plans, I mean, they just have a ton, not only in this community, but in all communities. They just have a bunch of floor plans to choose from and different price points. Adding the Next Gen suite is just one of my favorite things because it allows for so many options. So that's one of the reasons I'm showing you this floor plan today, is to give you options and to give you a way to do something like this in a very affordable way. And we're going to look at the Next Gen suite part of this. And tell me what you think. What do you think about the separate wing of this house? I really think it's very cool, but let me know what you think. All right, here we are back outside again. So the door to the right is to the main house. And this here that we're going into right now is the Next Gen suite. And so here in the front, you can see this is the living area. That open door right there is to go into the main part of the house. So you do have a way to get into the main part. That's the front door to the main house. And then back in we go. So it really is a separate house added on to a house. I love it. This is a kitchen. You have a pantry. You have a full-size kitchen here. Decent amount of counter space in the kitchen. You have a bath, full bath. You have laundry very close to the bedroom. You would do a stackable here, stackable washer dryer. And then this is the bedroom for the Next Gen suite. So I think this is perfect for a mother-in-law suite, for multi-generational family. I think this is perfect for, somebody that kind of wants their own wing of the house. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.